Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to create your own theme for Android. Here are the steps to create your own custom theme on Android using a launcher like Nova Launcher. First is to unlock your Android phone. Then open the Google Play Store. Search for and install Nova Launcher or any custom launcher. Launchers allow deeper customization. Once done installing, hit Open. Here, tap Get Started. Then you can customize your icon in this section. If make changes, tap on the arrow to the right, tap on the arrow again, then tap the arrow once again, and tap on Go Home. Now, open Nova Launcher from home screen. Once the theme changed, open Nova Settings again. Set Nova Launcher as your default launcher. Tap on Not Set as default. Then tap to choose Nova Launcher. Tap on Look and Feel to customize colors, animations, icons, etc. Customize your app drawer. Here, you can change the icon size, label, drawer app grid, colors, etc. Now, let's go to home screen layout. Here, you can change the padding, dock, etc. Add widgets like clock, weather, battery to match your theme. To do this is to long press on the home screen and choose widgets. Then go to widgets. Here, tap and drag the widget you prefer to. For example, calendar. Then put it in the empty space of your screen and drop it there. Save your theme using Nova Backup, optional, by going to Nova Settings, then Backup and Restore. Tip: you can also use apps like Theme Maker or OneShade for deeper customization, including notifications and quick toggles. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.